Good day, this is the Professor, drwillphd, PhD, and today's Thursday, August 4th, 2022. It is 3:50 and 58 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, inflammatory bowel disease. So let's jump to it here. Inflammatory bowel disease increases risk for pregnant women. Study of 8 million pregnancies show greater likelihood of poor maternal and fetal outcomes. Date August 3rd, 2022. Source: University of Missouri, Columbia. The pregnant women with inflammatory bowel disease and their babies face increased risk and complications compared to pregnant women without inflammatory bowel disease. And those are the findings from a new study that examined outcomes of more than 8 million pregnancies. Inflammatory bowel disease is a term used for Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, which are characterized by chronic inflammation of the gastrointestinal tract. Inflammatory bowel disease affects young women, which includes women who are in their peak reproductive years. Inflammatory bowel disease is an incurable disease, and its relapsing and remitting nature is stressful for the estimated 3 million U.S. men and women diagnosed. Because the disease tends to affect women during their peak fertility period, researchers want to know the impact of inflammatory bowel disease on maternal and fetal outcomes. And to our knowledge, this study is the most comprehensive of its kind, using data from multiple institutions and 48 states. The research reviewed more than 8 million pregnancies between 2016 and 2018. Of those, 14,129 mothers had inflammatory bowel disease. The results showed that pregnant women with inflammatory bowel disease had higher incidence of gestational diabetes, postpartum hemorrhage, hypertensive complications, preterm delivery, fetal growth restriction, and fetal death. The pregnant women with inflammatory bowel disease also had longer hospital stays after delivery. They averaged an additional half-day length of stay and faced more than $2,700 in associated medical costs. Based on the findings, researchers suggest that women who have moderate to severe inflammatory bowel disease should get preconceptional counseling and be treated aggressively to achieve remission prior to getting pregnant. The study results illustrate the importance that inflammatory bowel disease be optimally controlled prior to conception. Good day, this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.